Okay, let's look at this problem here. We have a company that manufactures spherical solar bulbs. So the key word here, this is a solar bulb, but they are spherical in nature. They store them in a pyramid shaped building with a rectangular base. The base of the building is 30 feet by. So let's draw the building. So we probably can just gradually try and see if we can, do our little art here. So this is our building. We're gonna have there's a pyramid here. So we're gonna have, you know, this, something like this, something like this, and something like that. That is how the building kind of look more like a pyramid, like that. Yeah, let's say you have this and this, maybe another one that comes somewhere. So this is how your shape is now. This side here, the base here is 20 feet by 30 feet, and the height as it measured from here to the apex here in this case is supposed to be what, 30 feet. So we have the building here. Now the question is, if the solar bulbs have a diameter of 4 inches, how many of these balls will fit in this building? Well, to do that, we need to find the volume of the building, and then if you can divide that by the volume of the bulbs, this is buildings, then that will give us the number that we need. All right, so let's find the volume of the building, which will be equal to, since this is a pyramid with a rectangular base, the volume is going to be equal to 1 over 3 times length times width times the height. This is given all the time, and so let's calculate that. This will be 1 over 3. The length is 20. Sorry, well, let's say the width is 30, the length is 30, and then the height is also 30 here. So this here will give me 10 times this is 200 times 30, and that give me 6,000. So this is 6,000 cubic feet. That is the volume of the building. Now the volume of the bulb that they produce will be equal to, since the bulb, they say the bulb is a spherical bulb, so we need to find the volume of a sphere. So the volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now we know this is pi, and the radius is 2 inches because the diameter is 4 inches. So that means it has to be 2 divided by 12 so that we can convert it into, remember this in feet, so this has to be in feet, and then we have to cube this one. So this becomes 4 over 3 pi, and then 1 over 6 to the power 3. That is what we have. So let's bring our calculator here and see if we can do this calculation quick. Go get a calculator here. So here we have 4 divided by 3. We got here. Let's multiply that by pi times 3.142. That is equal to this. And then we have to divide this by 6 times 6 times 6. So let's do divided by 6 equals this. Divide by 6 again, and then we're going to divide by 6 again. That will make life very easy. That is 0.19 something. So that's about 0.02. All right. So let's say it's 0.02. Therefore, we have this is equal to 0.02. And this is also in cubic feet as we change everything to feet. And therefore, the number of balls that will fit will be equal to the volume that we have to fill this divided by the volume of each ball, which is 0.02. And this here, let's bring our calculator here again. Then we have, what do we have? We have 6,000 divided by 0.02, and that is 300,000. So that is 300. That means we're going to need 300,000 of this at any particular time. 300,000 of this will fill this. That is what we need, and therefore the answer here is B.